they create excitement. They do things that veterans won't do. They try things that veterans won't try. And so I really am excited about the group of the rookies we got here this year. I think they're going to really shake things up, guys. I don't know what y'all think.
Yeah, I mean, you talk about Park Clearman in that 30 car, and I think one of the interviews you're referencing, Daryl, is the other day in a practice crash. He came out into a care center. He wasn't looking for a soft drink. He wasn't looking for his sunglasses.